5 fire department agencies responded to a barn fire in Stoddard this afternoon. It happened around 4 o'clock off County Highway K on Hamburg Road. Now, firefighters say a tractor left plugged in most likely started that fire, but they are investigating. The owners weren't injured, and luckily they were able to get the cows out of the barn just in time.
We had quick knockdown. Only maybe 20 or 30 feet on this end of the barn is lost. They'll be able to probably put cattle in on the other end of the barn tonight yet. They'll just have to gate that off.
And neighbors say there was a lot of smoke before help arrived. Firefighters knocked down sheet metal to get to that tractor.